I'm going to be explaining why it is time to go all in Carnival Cruise Line's ticker symbol CCL. I have done extensive research and have concluded that this is an amazing stock to get in right now, and I'm going to explain the specific reasons why this is so. Based on the analysis that I've done, we shouldn't be seeing any lower lows on this stock. Right now, CCL, it's at the lowest price that you can ever get it for in a few years from now to the future. So we're going to be discussing that in today's video. What's going on, subscribers? Welcome to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. That is what we're dedicated towards. We want to make sure that we have a community of stock market investors who are making profits every single day, every single week, every single month, because a wage makes you a living, but profits make you a fortune. If you want to join the community, just hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you like this video as well. It helps this video get to more people, and I would really appreciate that from you. Also, leave me a comment down below what you thought of the video. I do have some special links that you can use to get free stocks, free money, such as with Robinhood or Webull. They'll give you free stocks absolutely for free in the description down below. And then M1 Finance will give you $10 for you to get started investing with them. And then we also have the Discover Secured credit card that I use every single day. They give you a $50 sign-up bonus as soon as you get started. No reason why you should not take advantage of this money. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, so here we have Carnival Cruise Line ticker symbol CCL. Right now it's about $10.64. The most low that it ever reached was about $8 for the stock. It hasn't gone lower than that. I believe it has hit rock bottom, so we should be seeing higher highs from here. I do have an open position with 17 shares at an average cost of $15.30. I'm going to put in a lot more money into this stock as I start to see more uptrend on this price that it is right now. So I'm going to explain why I'm very bullish on this stock for two reasons. One is this: Saudi Arabia has bought 8% stake in the world's biggest cruise operator, Carnival Cruise, for bargain basement price. So an entire country decided to invest into Carnival Cruise, and not just a small amount, 8% of the entire company. This is a very good sign. A lot of these people have very good investors that work for the country, so they know what they're doing. It's not just your average investor. These are professionals that know what they're doing, so they wouldn't be investing in a company to lose money. So you have to pay attention to stuff like this that's going to make you a more profitable investor. So let's read what this says. Carnival Corp shares jumped after Saudi Arabia's public investment fund said it acquired an 8.2% stake in the world's biggest cruise operator. Carnival surged as much as 18% to $10.04 on Monday in New York after the fund said it was filing its holds for 43.5 million shares of the cruise company. The Saudis are getting a bargain price for Carnival. It's down 81% this year, and this is all because of what's going on, and they had to shut down any operation of the company until this gets fixed. So this has caused a massive sell-off in the stock. In fact, this stock has never been this cheap as it is right now. The last time it was this price was around 1990s, 1980s, somewhere around there. And this is a very well-known established company. It has been in operation for many, many years. So it's been able to withstand a lot of difficult circumstances. And this, what's going on right now, is very unique. It has never happened. So this is why it's kind of like a shock to this company, because it's never affected it in this specific way, where nobody is allowed to go on cruises or anything like that. It's not just a recession. It's literally impacted them like pretty much directly. So that's what's going on with Carnival Cruise, and this is what recently happened with the Saudi Arabia fund. They decided to invest in this company. So let's go ahead and read the bull rating of the stock. If whatever's going on right now recedes quickly, yields could recover faster than we currently anticipate. Rapidly declining fuel prices could help benefit the cost structure to a greater degree than initially expected, thanks to Carnival's floating energy prices. So there's a lot of reasons why it is a good idea to invest in this company, such as oil being cheaper for Carnival Cruise. But the most important thing is we have to recover from whatever is going on right now, because if this doesn't get any better, then Carnival Cruise will be severely impacted. So we just need to make sure, as long as that's true, that this is gonna eventually be of the past, then it's a very good idea to start building a long position in Carnival Cruise. So let's hear what bears say. The media obtaining a negative experience commentary regarding cruise incidents could weigh on Carnival's brand image and pricing leverage, making new cruisers a lot worried about taking cruises. And also what's going on right now is affecting the stock very severely. In case you're not too familiar with Carnival Cruise Lines, I do want to read the description of the company, and this description comes from Robinhood. So yeah, let's get to it. Carnival Corp engages in the operation of cruise ships. It operates throughout North America, Europe, Australia, Asia, cruise support and tour, and others. The North America segment includes Carnival Cruise Line, Holland America Line, Princess Cruises, and Seabourn. So they're basically a giant cruise company that basically has the ships, and you can book any trip you want with Carnival Cruise and they'll take you on it. And these are giant ships. They cost about $1 billion each. So they're dealing with very expensive costs. So this is why it's affecting the stock very severely, because they don't have any cash flow at the moment. But yeah, so let me get to the second reason why I'm very bullish on Carnival Cruise and why you are getting an amazing deal by investing in the company right now. And also, this company has been in the stock market since 1972. I wanted to make sure that I pointed that out. Alright, so here's the second reason why I'm very bullish on Carnival Cruise Lines. So you can see here the massive sell-off that it had. This is the lowest price that you can get the stock in the past 5 years. It has never been as cheap as it is now because of what recently happened. And this is a great opportunity for the average investor because you're able to get the stock at a huge discount, where almost, if you have to look back at the stock, you can only see this prices back in the 1980s, 1990s, around there. You haven't seen this prices anytime recently at all. So you're getting a very, very good value on a well-known, established company that even countries are investing in it because they know that Carnival Cruise has the potential to pull this off. Even though what's going on is affecting them directly, they still believe that this company can withstand whatever's going on and they're going to be able to make it through. We should be able to see average prices of $40, $50, $60, $30 at minimum in the future years. And the other thing I wanted to make sure that you looked at was this stock has sold off in the past before at very distinct points, like here that I'm circling. So as you see here, the stock sold off massively, very huge movements. But the sell-off that we had now is even bigger than the ones before. And what do you see every time that it sells off? It always recovers. So it hits a low, but it always seems to pull it off and make it through higher highs. And this just basically confirms that this stock has been able to do it in the past, and there should be no reason why this stock will not continue its upward trend as long as we recover from what's going on right now. So let me know your opinion of this. I want to know if you are currently investing in Carnival Cruise Lines. How big is your position? Do you think Carnival Cruise will make it out of this? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, do your own research before deciding to invest in anything. Only invest in what makes sense to you. Do not invest in anything that others are telling you to do so. Just because you think they might be right, always do your own research. Just wanted to make sure this was clear. Alright, so there we go, subscribers. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video on Carnival Cruise Lines. Why this will probably be a very good investment for you to make. Let me know your opinion down below. like this video, subscribe, and I'll see all of y'all in the next video. Peace.